Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the powerful capabilities of Flow Designer in ServiceNow. Flow Designer. Flow Designer is a powerful tool in ServiceNow that allows users to automate processes and tasks through a user-friendly, no-code, just low-code interface. Key features: no-code, just low-code interface. Reusability: create reusable subflows and actions. Integration: integrate with other ServiceNow applications and third-party systems. Condition: logic: add conditions to control the flow of actions based on specific criteria. Approval actions: include approval steps within flows. Error handling: implement error handling logic to manage exceptions. Here are the main components: flows triggers, actions conditions, subflows, data picker execution, details, flow logic. Flow variables, integration hub. Flows. A flow is a sequence of actions and conditions that automate a business process. Components. Trigger defines when the flow should start, e.g., when a record is created or updated. Actions. Tasks performed as part of the flow, e.g., sending an email, updating a record. Conditions. Logical statements that control the flow of actions based on specific criteria. Triggers. A trigger initiates the flow when a specified event occurs. Types: record-based, triggered by changes to a record in a table. Scheduled, triggered at a specified date and time. Webhook, triggered by an external event via an HTTP request. Actions. Actions are tasks that the flow performs. Create record, creates a new record in a specified table. Update. Record updates an existing record. Lookup record retrieves records based on specified criteria. Send email sends an email notification. Script executes a custom script. Conditions are used to control the flow of actions based on specific criteria. Examples: if-else logic executes different actions based on whether a condition is true or false. Switch directs the flow to different paths based on the value of a variable. Subflows are reusable sequences of actions that can be called from within other flows. Usage, useful for modularizing and reusing common processes across multiple flows. Data picker, a tool within Flow Designer that allows users to select and use data from the trigger or previous actions. Function, helps map data fields between different actions and conditions. Execution details, provides a detailed log of flow execution, including the status of each action and condition. Usage, useful for debugging and monitoring the flow's performance. Flow logic, provides control over the sequence and execution of actions within a flow. Components. Loop, repeats a set of actions for each item in a list. Wait for condition, pauses the flow until a specified condition is met. End, stops the execution of the flow. Flow variables, variables that store data and can be used throughout the flow. Types: input variables, provided when the flow is triggered. Output variables, set by actions within the flow and can be used in subsequent actions. Integration hub, extends Flow Designer capabilities by allowing integration with third-party systems. Components, spokes, pre-built connectors for popular third-party applications, e.g., Slack, Microsoft Teams. Custom integrations, allows the creation of custom connectors and actions for external systems. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of Flow Designer and how it can revolutionize your ServiceNow workflows. If you found this content helpful, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more insights and tutorials. Your support helps us create more valuable content. See you in the next video.